People asking questions, validation and gratitude. How to use it to improve my relationship. Hi, my name is Mir Kani from Heart of Yourself, and Tom the Turtle is here too. Let's get real. Most relationships don't struggle because of huge fights. They fall apart from all the tiny things we forget to say. Number one, validation. This means saying, I get why you feel that way. I can see how that upsets you. That makes sense. It's like emotional first aid. No fixing, no judging, just presence. Number two, gratitude. Not just the autopilot thanks. I mean a real appreciation. Say, thanks for being so supportive. I love how you always look out for our family. Those small acknowledgements, they stack up. They build trust, they build love. Tom and I see it all the time. When couples feel seen, they start showing up differently for each other. Less defensiveness, more connection, better communication. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Say the thing. Notice the effort. Appreciate the human. Here's your 7-day challenge homework. 1 validating moment, 1 gratitude statement every single day. Talk to your partner. I know you can do this. Try it.